What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now so that the OnePlus Nord 2 official CAD renders are being leaked from the 91 mobiles and the One On leaks. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So now let's talk about the official CAD renders from the OnePlus Nord 2, and its design looks like it's one of the OnePlus 9 Lite version, as the design aspect of this phone looks like the camera module also looks like the OnePlus 9 series. Not only that, unlike the OnePlus Nord Core Edition or the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, this phone will come with a alert slider, and it will finally be an upgrade from the original OnePlus Nord. Now there is a lot of hype of this phone, and the phone is expected to launch in this July only, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update related to OnePlus news. Now on the other specification side, it will come with a 6.43 inch of a display with a 90 Hz of refresh rate, same as the original Nord, and the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC and a 4500 mAh battery. Now this is the first time that the OnePlus is going with the Dimensity chipset, and it's the flagship processor from the MediaTek, and this is definitely going to be any better than the mid-range Snapdragon processors. Not only that, if we talk about its RAM management and the RAM storage, it will come with a 6GB and a 8GB of RAM variant with a 128GB of base storage. Now this phone will also come with a Type-C and a Warp Charge 30 T+ charging, and this will be weighing around for the 180 to 190 grams. On the design aspect, as we said, it will be similar to the OnePlus 9 series design, and for the cameras, it will come with a primary camera of a fixed 50 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel of a secondary sensor, which will be mostly an ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel of a macro cameras. On the selfie shooters, it will get a 32 megapixel of a front selfie snapper in the form of a punch hole, and there won't be a dual punch hole selfie camera. Now this phone will include a 5G variant, 5G module and a 5G band, but we can expect only one 5G band as the N78 for the 5G marketing. Now this will also come with a dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and a USB Type-C port. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon. Help us reaching out to our 1000 subscribers goal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.